Yo, you should get me. You should record me. You know how they got the whistle? I know. Some silly shit. Pay facts. In the building. Some new shit. This is how I do shit. Used to smoke wet so that shit made me stupid. Now I got a clean slate. This is for your team's sake. You need to wake up cause you living in a dream state. Thinking you my equal. Don't listen to your people. Before I do some shit that might be illegal. Matter of fact, I know it is. I'm about to throw my fist. Better stay on guard cause you going if you lower it. Looking for the spotlight. Avoiding all the cop type. Looking for a bad bitch that'll ride the cop right. Searching for the big tip. I don't think the pig tip. Smoke everywhere but nobody got a cigarette. I'll be on my fallback. Bitches on my ball sack. If you get me hyped, then you might get your jaw cracked. That is not a threat though. If you wanna step, yo, we can go about it, but it's better just to let go. I told you what my name is. I'll be on the same shit. JFAX, always go and play the game, bitch. I will never quit, man. Even if I get jammed, I will cut the tips off the fingers of the snitch hand. I'm the #1 guy. This is just a run by. If you trying to sing along, I bet you getting tongue-tied. Working on that fast flow, thinking I won't last, so you probably better off sitting around watching grass grow. Listen to my mean track. I'll be on my lean back. A room full of money, man. I ain't never seen that. That is just my new goal. You gon' pay the full score. I'm hungry as a fuck. You better hook me up with 2 bowls. I'ma need a plate too. I eat like an 8-do. If you understand, I consider that a breakthrough. I'm about to get signed. I finished up with this line. My leg need a break. I've been running through your chick's mind, bitch. J-Facts in the building.
You got your tattoo on there?
Burn that shit.
Yeah, buddy.